Alright. Hopefully I'm not too loud. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how to make crews. As of right now, crews are about like 50% done. I'm going to come back and add more stuff to it and tweak it when I have other aspects of the game ready. But yeah, so basically to make a crew, you're gonna have to, well, for now, you're gonna have to meet the requirements of having at least 30 level and then 50,000 fame or bounty, and then 10 gems as well. I'm gonna make it so that VIP users only pay 5 gems, and for VIP users, it will discard the level and bounty requirements. Yes, let's get into it. Alright, so one of the first things that you want to do once you reach the requirements to make a crew is to look for a flag ID. So to do that, you're going to go to marketplace, right? Oh, not market, you're going to go to create actually. And then once you hit create, you want to go to marketplace, right? And then after that, you can go to images. And then in images, you can just search up a pirate flag emblem that you'd want. So if I search the pirate flag, right? You can see you can get a whole bunch of different pirate flags. Of course, these are open source images that other people have made. I will show you guys how to make your own in a bit if you want to take those extra steps. We're going to be using the Whitebeard one because, you know, it's just, it's familiar with you guys. So yeah, so once you're here, you want to just copy the asset ID of the decal that you're using, the image that you're using, and then you want to go back to the game, the cruise page in the game, right? So yeah, once you're here, you want to click create, and then you want to just type in whatever you want the crew name to be. I'm gonna say Whitebeard Pirates, right? You want to then paste in. Well, that might be a problem. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta change that. I'm gonna change the event that he uses for that. But you want to just, if you're on PC, no, it's gonna be changed by the time I upload this. But yeah, so you want to just delete the old one and then paste in the ID that you got, and then hit enter or just tap out of the screen if you're on mobile. And then once you do that, you want to click create. It's going to take the gems from your, it's going to take 5 gems or whatever gems you're paying for it, and then boom, you can see that now you have your crew. It's also going to show the pirate flag on the top right next to your name in the leaderboard. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can recruit members. There's not that much functionality to the crew. If you're the captain, you can recruit members and kick members off, and of course members won't be able to take damage from each other. I plan to add the teleport home and teleport captain buttons. This entire UI and system is it's heavily influenced by the classic One Piece Online game, if you guys remember that, or if you guys were around during that time. But yeah, if you're the crew captain, you leave the crew, is going to delete the crew, meaning that anyone else that's in this crew will just get kicked out. So just be aware of that, and then be aware that you're gonna have to pay that gem fee every single time you create the crew. So yeah, to invite a member, if someone is in the game and you want to invite them, you want to click recruit member, and then you see their name pop up right here. You click that and you click send invite, and then it should shoot them an invite. For example, let's say I was a receiving person, I'll just click join and then look for that same invite right here, click it, and then click accept, and then it should put me on that crew. What else? Same thing with the kick members. You just click kick member and then pick whoever is in your crew, and then click kick, and then kick them out. For members that are in your crew, if you click on their name, it's going to show the little wanted poster thing with how much bounty they have and then their name. If you are part of the D clan and have a family name, it's going to show that on top, and then have like the D and then your name, right? Yeah, so like I was saying, once I add more islands and then I add a whole flag capturing or island capturing system, You can click teleport home and teleport you to your home island, and then it will teleport you there. Teleport captain will teleport you to your captain if the captain is in the home island or on their ship. But again, I haven't added that either. I'm gonna remake this tutorial again once the crew system is like fully done. I'm just making it for the few people that play the game now, or the few testers that play the game now. Yep. Another update that I wanted to go over for the people that are testing the game is if you're a pirate, yeah. So if you're a pirate and you've been in the server for like, I think was it 5 minutes maximum, it should start like putting your wanted poster on some of the billboards. I think I had some from when I was testing the game. It's gonna look something like this. So this is my wanted poster. The thing about the wanted posters is that depending on the time that it's posted, it can have an outdated bounty. So for example, let's say I had like 100,000 bounty now, right? And then the wanted poster that was posted up here had 50,000 bounty. If you were to pick it up and hold it, it's not going to update the bounty once your bounty updates. And let's say I were to save it into the inventory like so, right? And I were to come back, the bounties would be different. So just want to let you guys know that I made it like that so that it can have the same effect of like if you guys watched the anime, there was this one episode, I mean it was a couple of episodes, but this one part in the show where I think Luffy, they were like mocking Luffy or whatever because of his bounty, and I think the antagonist at the time was Bellamy. Yeah, so he had an old wanted poster of Luffy, but then they got the updated ones, and yeah, I just wanted to have the same effect. Yeah, so that's one update. And another update is the sea. I'm still working on the sea, preparing for like devil fruits and stuff. If you're on mobile, when you're swimming and you press Q, it's going to allow, oh, I gotta fix that, but it's going to basically enable like a diving mode where you can then use the running mechanic to just dive underwater. Whoa. Oh, I almost died there. Okay, yeah. So let me get into that. So the reason why I was taking damage is because I didn't have enough oxygen, right? So the way that the oxygen chain is gonna work in this game is just like I think the updated version of One Piece Online is going to take up. It's gonna take up. It's gonna be based on your stomach, your hunger, right? So let's see. Right now, I probably have like I have 4 hunger points. That means that I have a maximum of 4 oxygen points. Once your oxygen point hits 0, you're gonna start taking damage. The reason why I took damage as soon as I got in the water is because I literally had no hunger, meaning that I couldn't hold my breath at all. So as soon as I went underwater, I immediately started drowning. So that's that. Let me show you guys an example. Need some more health, some more stomach. So yep, you can see. Let me go over the whole diving mechanics again. So if you're on PC, you want to press Q, and it's gonna just enable diving mode, and then once you swim, like swim is basically just running while you're underwater, right? You can see that it puts you underwater. You saw, okay. I'm going too fast, bro. I haven't made videos in a long time, so I'm like really messy with the tutorials. But that's how you do it. If you're on mobile, you just press the Q button on the mobile thing, and it's gonna do the same thing. You want to just run underwater, right? So yeah, you can see when I'm underwater, you can see you saw the little airtime points, right? See the little oxygen points. That one's gonna be based on your stomach. If it hits 0, you're gonna start drowning. See, and then you're gonna start taking damage. If you're a fishman, you're not gonna have. I mean, you're still gonna have an oxygen thing, right? But you wouldn't lose oxygen while you're underwater because fishmen, you can breathe underwater. Also, another feature is if you're a fishman and you're in the diving mode, right, and then you're underwater and then you stop moving, you won't float up unless you exit the diving mode by pressing Q again. If you're any other race and then you're if you're in any other race and you're in the diving mode and then you just let go, like stop swimming, it's gonna just like float you up. But for fishermen, it won't do that unless you use, or unless you disable that diving mode feature. Again, I'll do much better edited tutorials on this, but I just want the people that are testing the game right now to know the mechanics so they can update me if they find any bugs. That's it for now. I think that should be it, right? That should be it for now. Also, yeah, there's like there's a maximum diving distance. If you go down, let's see, like let's say I went down this much. I think you can only stop like right here. Once you hit right here, you can't go down anymore. It's based on where your screen is facing, so you want to make sure if you want to go down, you face down. If you want to go up, you face up. And yeah, that should be that. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so the way I did it is I made it so if your head is underwater, you just like you can't you start losing oxygen, right? But because of that, when you run, like when you're swimming, right? Okay, so it isn't underwater. Okay, so it's not. I think if you like press Q and then go down a little bit, that's when it starts to get underwater. Okay. But yeah, for the testers, just like mess around with this, see if you can find any bugs, any glitches. If you do, let me know, and then I'll try to fix. But that should be it for now.